Marine Pumpman course. A pumpman is a member of the deck department on merchant ships, tankers, and especially oil tankers. Variations on the title can include chief pumpman, QMED, pumpman, and second pumpman. They are responsible for operating the liquid cargo transfer system, including pumps, separators, strainers, filters, and valves. Course overview. 1. Comprehensive program. This comprehensive program provides essential knowledge and practical skills for excelling in the role, covering pump operations, maintenance, and safety protocols. 2. Target audience. The Marine Pumpmen course is ideal for individuals aspiring to work on ships and tankers within the offshore and marine industry. 3. Accreditations. For the marine tanker and offshore production platform. Types of marine pumps. Centrifugal pumps, widely used for cargo handling, ballast, and bilge systems. They are known for their high efficiency and versatility. Positive displacement pumps, ideal for transferring viscous fluids, such as heavy fuel oil and lubricants. They provide consistent flow and high pressure. Axial flow pumps, designed for high volume, low pressure applications, such as seawater intake and cooling systems. Pump room features and operations. Pump room layout. Organized and efficient arrangement of pumps, valves, and associated equipment. Monitoring and control. Effective monitoring systems and control panels to ensure optimal pump performance. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Routine inspections, preventive maintenance, and prompt issue resolution. Safety considerations. Proper ventilation, lighting, and emergency response procedures in the pump room. Importance of proper pipeline layout. 1. Efficient routing. Careful design of pipe routes to minimize flow resistance and pressure drops. 2. Accessibility. Easy access to valves, flanges, and other components for maintenance and repair. 3. Leak prevention. Proper pipe supports, expansion joints, and sealing to avoid leaks and spills. Role and responsibilities of marine pumpmen. Pump operations. Monitoring, controlling, and optimizing the performance of marine pumps. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Conducting preventive maintenance, troubleshooting issues, and coordinating repairs. Safety and compliance. Ensuring safe working practices and adherence to relevant regulations and procedures. Record keeping. Maintaining detailed logs and reports on pump operations and maintenance activities. Safety and emergency response. The pumpman should have a complete knowledge of safety policies and practices. Handling of flammable, dangerous liquids. This includes knowledge of storage, transportation, and spill response protocols to minimize the risk of fire, explosion, or environmental contamination. Confined space entry procedures. The pumpman must be trained in the safe entry, monitoring, and work practices for confined spaces, such as the pump room or storage tanks to protect against asphyxiation or exposure to toxic fumes. Lockout, tagout program, procedures and policies. Adherence to this program is essential for isolating and energizing equipment during maintenance or repair, preventing accidental startup and ensuring the safety of personnel. Cargo contamination prevention. Pump cleanliness. Meticulous cleaning and maintenance of pumps to prevent cross-contamination. Pipeline flushing. Regular flushing of pipelines to remove residual cargo and prevent contamination. Cargo segregation. Strict adherence to cargo handling protocols and separation of incompatible cargoes. Communication and record keeping. Logbook entries. Detailed records of pump operations, maintenance, and any incidents. Shift handover. Clear communication and information transfer during shift changes. Reporting procedures. Timely reporting of issues, breakdowns, or any deviations from standard practice. Regulatory compliance. Maintaining documentation and records as per industry regulations and company policies. Course curriculum. Pump room features and operations. Importance of proper pipeline layout. Role and responsibilities. Cargo handling procedures. Safety and emergency response. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Cargo contamination prevention. Regulatory compliance. Communication and record keeping. Environmental protection. Health and hygiene. Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.